Mr. Locksmith, Dartmouth, Nova Scotia.
If you're locked out and need keys, call Mr. Locksmith,
Dartmouth.
If you need 24-hour lockout services, house lockout, car lockout, call Mr. Locksmith,
Dartmouth.
Rekey Locks, lock repair, locks rekeyed, lock change, Mr. Locksmith,
Halifax.
residential door lock change.
Halifax.
We have 24-hour locksmith
Dartmouth.
service, mobile locksmith,
Dartmouth.
and emergency locksmith for
Dartmouth, Nova Scotia.
residential lock repair,
Dartmouth, Nova Scotia.
house lockout, locked out, need keys, no problem. Key extraction, if you've broken the key to your house or your business, we can remove the broken key and make you brand new keys. Mr. Locksmith
Dartmouth.
is your complete locksmithing service. Residential door change,
Dartmouth.
Mr. Locksmith services all major locks and door locks for residential and commercial locks. If you need a master key system, we can design it from scratch or we can add on to your existing master key system. You lost your keys to your mailbox, we can open your mailbox, repair it, replace it, give you brand new keys. If you're locked out of your mailbox, we can make you new keys.
Locksmith near me, Dartmouth.
Call Mr. Locksmith.